let us take this opportunity to congratulate 117 customs officers from various groups, services, offices, and ports who have devoted 25 years of their lives to public service. Your dedication, hard work, and unwavering loyalty are the foundation of the Bureau of Customs' progress and success over the years. Mga kabats ko to, so congratulations. Today, we also welcome and congratulate 21 newly hired and promoted customs officers. As you embark on this new chapter in your careers, I encourage you to look up to the loyalty awardees that we honor today. Their commitment and perseverance are the pillars upon which our Bureau of Customs stands. May their contributions guide you as you forge your own path in our institution.